that's a shoe.
Are those his feathers? Oh, poor thing. He's a baby, no?
Yeah. Looks like he got ugly. Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh.
Do we have a towel?
Hey, put our phone. You're still playing.
Where is he? He's over here.
Where's he?
He's right there.
Oh. They take a shower with dirt, no?
No, with water. I think you need to wet him with water to get the glue to kind of come off a little bit.
Stay there?
Yeah. He's fast. Yeah, because they said that you have to wash him with water, but just a little bit of water, and then hold him with a towel and like kind of dry him. He's somewhere over here. Where is he? Is he over here? Oh, there he is. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, they said just a little bit, and then he has to be. Gotta get a towel and like hold him and kind of like massage the. All right, so now we're trying to dry him off. Hopefully the little guy's able to recuperate and come back. He was kind of stuck for a while, so let's hope he gets better. Look at the poor little guy. I don't think he's gonna make it. Hopefully he does. Poor little guy, scalped himself. Oh my God. God knows how long he had been on there.
Just a baby.
Yeah.
Oh, put him right here.
Yeah, somewhere where there's no ants, because the ants will eat him.
Right here.
Poor little guy. gonna let him sit here for a little bit, and hopefully he gets a little better to be able to fly away. We'll keep you guys updated. We'll be back. Okay, so I just found a box for the little bird. We're gonna put him in here instead of the planter where he's currently at, where I had showed you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna put him in here, and I'm gonna cut this cut up because I can't find anything else. So I'm gonna cut it low so that in case he gets better, he could drink some water. Let me find some scissors. Oh, here they are. Okay. Cut this cup up. So now we got this. I'll put a little bit of water in it. Poor little guy. Just gonna put a tiny bit of water. I'm gonna cut this so if it does come up to it, it doesn't get cut or anything. There we go. Let's put a tiny bit of water. There we go. I'm also gonna put a bunch of paper towels in it, make them a little bed to be able to lay down in. You know what? I think I'm gonna take the water out for now, and then add it in after. So when I take it out, I don't spill it all over the place. All right, let me take it out real quick. Okay, already put them out there. So now let me go put the water in. Here's water.
No, let's go.
No, but here. There we go.
Then we should put him in the water?
No, don't put him in the water. He'll probably freeze, no? Yeah, just...
He's a baby.
Yeah. He's just a little baby. Like that. Yeah, right now he just needs to get through his shock. Because he's in a lot of shock. What are you doing? Yeah, just doing like that. Right there. Little guy. So we're gonna leave him like this for now. And hopefully he gets better. We'll keep you updated. All right, so it's been about an hour now. Let's check up on the little guy. He's still breathing hard. His feet look kind of messed up, but I'm not sure. He's been here for about an hour. He looks a lot calmer because he's not breathing as hard as before. But he's obviously not back to 100%. So we're gonna keep him here a little longer, and we'll keep you guys updated. It's probably been around 20 minutes since the last video. Right now he's kind of started shaking his head up and down. I'm not sure if that's a good sign or a bad sign. I'm just kind of sitting outside by myself, as you could see. Just kind of checking up on him. Hopefully he gets better. I hope by tomorrow we'll either see him gone because he flew away, or at least hopefully he's still in here drinking water and hopping around and stuff. I'm not too sure about his feet. I hope his feet are okay, because look, you see that talon is kind of bending backwards, but I'm not sure if that's normal or not, because I'm not really a bird expert. So hopefully he's okay. Okay, so I have an update. He just started jumping. He scared the living bejesus out of me. Oh my god. He was jumping like crazy. He literally almost jumped out of the box. He scared me so bad. I almost fell. I don't know what that was. He literally just kind of spurred out. 1 second he was laying there how he was in the other videos, and then another second I saw him almost flying out of the box. My goodness, that scared the bejesus out of me. Okay, he's getting up. He's getting up. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. He's up. He's up. He's up. I don't think he shook it out yet, because I'm pretty sure he can't fly. But he's up. That's a good thing. He survived. He got out. He's alive. He's alive. He's alive. Nice. Thank God. Thank God. Nice. He's alive. Oh my God. I knew he was gonna survive. I knew it. Thank God. Nice. Nice. I literally have goosebumps right now. That's amazing. We didn't have much hope for him, but thank God he's alive. Thank God. Now let's just hope he doesn't jump scare me, because he jumps out, I'm falling into the pool. Thank God he's alive. Nice. I'm gonna keep an eye on him, watch him get out, and hopefully he gets better. Okay, as you guys saw, he's out. The little guy survived, thank God. And so what happened was, after I cut the video, he's still back there. I know he's probably scared and all that, so I don't want to move it, because I know that if I move it, he's probably gonna freak out again, and I don't want to cause any more stress for him. because as you guys have seen, he's already gone through enough stress. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave him back there overnight. I think he's probably gonna end up staying there and sleeping there because, I mean, you know, he's still kind of recuperating. I don't want to put any more stress on him, so I'm just gonna leave him back there. He'll probably end up sleeping there. And what I did is I put a little bit of water right here, as I did with his box, and I'll just leave a little bit of water right there just in case he ends up coming out at night and he's thirsty and whatnot. So I'll put water right there, and hopefully at nighttime he'll come out, drink some water, and go back in and fall asleep. Yeah, and I'll check back in with him tomorrow, and I mean, I genuinely hope he's doing a lot better, because I mean, he seemed a lot better. As you guys saw, he went from one moment being dead to another moment being jumping, and he looked fine. I mean, to me, I'm not a bird expert, as you guys can tell, but he looked fine to me, so that puts me a little bit at rest. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave him a water right there. He's right there. And yeah, so I hope he does a lot better. I hope he comes out at night and he's able to take a drink, and yeah. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on any new information, anything else that happens. I'm gonna check on him tomorrow, and hopefully he's okay. As you could tell, it's already getting dark. It's getting dark outside, so I'm gonna go inside. It's around 8 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna go inside and wash up and all that. So yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated on any new information. I'll check for him in the morning, and hopefully he's doing all right. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of this whole thing. I mean, honestly, I did not think he was gonna survive, but thank God he survived, and he's well as he can be. So yeah, thanks for being part of this, guys. Peace.